Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another Softflex Company monthly mystery design kit, and here's a little preview of what you could get in a kit like this. And this kit retails for $36.95 and comes with everything you need minus tools. And right here is the website where I got the kit from, www.softflexcompany.com. Okay, and on the back they have a little challenge, and if you want you can enter this. Alright, so I am going to put the link for the website down there, and I'm also going to put the link for the kits down there below in the description bar, and you will also see Softflex YouTube channel and their Facebook page. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this out. The theme is called Surf's Up, and I'm very excited. And where in the world did they find water-themed tissue paper? That is crazy awesome. Alright, so I'm hoping to see some sea creatures, I can't talk, in this. So it looks like starfish. Jesse James, custom bead mix. Starfish, nautilus. Oh my god, beach ball, oh my gosh. Okay, let's dig in. So cute. Oh, if you did not see the last Softflex kit that I got, I'll put a picture up now. And I will also put up a picture of the project I did with that kit. I did a necklace and bracelet. Okay, let's see what we got. No way! Look at that! Oh my gosh! It's ceramic. It's got, look, it's made to look like a ammonite. It's a nautilus that's cut in half, basically. So it looks like the ammonite beads. Oh my gosh. And we got another one of those containers. That is awesome. Okay. Let's do this. And by the way, I did get my tray out so I can fill it up with you guys as we go through these things. Wow. I am so worried I'm going to drop this. Oh my gosh, it's a bead! I thought it was a pendant. I thought it was going to be drilled at an angle, like this way or that way, but it's an actual, can you see that? Bead. That is amazing. I really want to use that, and that's going to go right there in the center of my little tray. Okay, it barely fits. That is epic. Alright. So we have more shells, clams, so cute. Oh my gosh, I have not seen that color. That's probably my favorite that I have seen so far. It's called Fluorite color. That is gorgeous. It's the same color as my mat. Epic. These here look like sea critters. It looks like a slipperit coral, which I used to have in the reef tank a really long time ago. I was actually propagating them a whole bunch at one time, and wow, what beautiful colors. I love that. Okay, to the list. Bag is empty. I got some little trays here. First thing on the list is Softflex Fluorite .019 medium beading wire. Epic that is. Look at how gorgeous that color is. That is so pretty. I want to paint my bedroom walls this. Yeah, I would love it to be that color. Okay, after that is Softflex 2x2mm sterling silver crimp tubes. I love their crimp tubes in sterling the most. I have tried the gold filled, I've tried the copper now, but I think the sterling ones are my favorite. Yeah, they're nice quality. Okay, I'll put that, actually I gotta put that in my tray. Am I going to be able to take a picture of this tomorrow? I'm on my third video today, by the way. I actually need to film 4, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to it, because my 4th video might be 2 hours long. And I think I might be pooped by then, you know what I'm saying? Okay, after that is silver plated ear wire with ball. Okay, that's in here. I will dump this out. In here, ear wires. Okay, that's these. Oh my gosh. Not seahorses. We got starfish. That's what we got. Okay, here are our ear wires. And I think they fit in this hole. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Look at those. What's next? Lobster claw. Okay, there's that. Lobster claw. Oh, that's too big. After that is 12mm silver. I already read that. Good grief. Jesse James custom bead mix. So that is this here. I don't know how they fit this in this container. I will do that last because I have to sort through it, and we will put it in a tray together. Okay. Next is starfish. Okay, and it doesn't say it, but there is 2 of them. And they are precious. They're so cute. I had a pet starfish. Actually, I had 2 of them. They both passed away, though. I don't know what I was doing wrong. Blue starfish. His name was 5 Pits because he had 5 armpits. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I didn't name him. Okay, somebody else named him, but it was a good name. I thought it was funny. After that is Nautilus ceramic pendants. It says pendants with an S. Okay, so that is this here. The color on this is just amazing. That is gorgeous. Man, I wonder how much that costs. There was a... What was it? I think it was a Jesse James kit. What is it called? Oh, Magical Mystery Box? Something like that? I think it was. Or maybe it was Softflex. I want to say it was Jesse James. The theme was like, The Little Mermaid. Oh, what's her name? I don't remember. I'll put a picture up of the design I'm talking about. There was a Nautilus pendant that I put in the center of it. Ursula. It was an Ursula themed necklace from, you know, Ursula is, I think, the bad character in Little Mermaid. And I made a necklace. An Ursula themed necklace. So check the picture out. Alrighty, next thing is teeny tiny ceramic beach ball, and after that says large ceramic beach ball. Whoa, oh, I didn't see the tiny beads. They're going everywhere. Oh my gosh, look at these. That is so cute. That's adorable. I love that. Okay, and I gotta rescue the tiny beads. After that is, we're going down the line, 3mm opaque turquoise with travertine file polish. Alright, those are the runaway beads, so I have to get to them. I think these are wooden palm tree beads. And they're pretty cool. I haven't seen them with a high glaze on them like this before. Okay. Okay. I have to get these out of the way. Alright, I think that's all of these. Again, 3mm opaque turquoise with travertine fire polish. They are beautiful. I swear there's a luster on them because they're really shiny. Can you see that? Super shiny. Okay, I will put these here. And then 6mm silver plated topaz Australian crystal square dells. Wow. These are fancy. Like really fancy. Those are pretty. Okay, I'll put them over here. And then it is Japanese bamboo. Bamboo. So it's not cornelian is the color. Striped barrel beads. So it's not I thought it was gonna be palm tree beads because of the dots, the polka dots on the ends. I don't know if you could see it. Actually, bamboo is hollow. How would this be a bead? I don't know. Have you ever cut open bamboo? It's hollow tubing inside. They actually take the really big ones like this and they slice them and they cut the other side off, and then it's like a compartment. There's actually chambers in bamboo and they make stuff with it. Yeah, it's hollow. So, I don't know. Anyways, those are very beautiful. And that one's on the floor. Alright, I found the bead. After that is, again, it said Japanese bamboo cornelian colored striped barrel beads. Check glass turquoise beads. I mean, these look like a coral to me. It's called a slipperet coral. That's what all those lines look like. Yeah. They are gorgeous. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to have enough room. I will have to see. Next is glass shell beads. And then it says items gathered just for this kit. So below the line, items available at softlex.com, launching May 28th. And then these were added to the kit, I guess. Anyways, something like that. Okay, so there's actually 2 different beads in here. Well, there's these little clams. I got these clams in another subscription box, but they were tinier and they were black. These are almost double the size. They're beautiful. Double-sided. Beautiful. Look at these. I think I like the clams the most. Yeah, those are double-sided too. The beautiful beads. Okay, so there's the clams. And I'll do the shells here. Okay, it's time to dig into this little container. Oh, it's taped again. Alright, I got it. Oh my gosh, we have turquoise patina bead caps, but I guess I should just take off what's on the top right now. These are little tassels. Those are super cute. They're like made with faux suede. Those are adorable. Okay, really cute. And then, oh my gosh, look at that. It's orange. That's pretty. Coin bead. Don't know how many we're going to get of those. These are like a coral, orangey, a peachy orangey coral color. I think they're, I want to say they're 8mm. Or 7mm rounds. They're really pretty. Okay, we have some metal beads. Oh my gosh, actually they're not metal. It's, no way. These are the lava beads, and they have metal on them. So there's another round one. Where did I put that at? Lava beads that have metal on them. Okay, so you know the black lava beads? That's what these are, but with metal on them. That is so cool. That is really neat. Or they are metal, but like I would see a seam on them, and I don't see a seam. And they look really different. So that, like they're not casted. Does that make sense? I don't know. Oh, I love that one. This is beige. It's beautiful. Round shape or oval shape. I'll put that over there. And we have turquoise cubes. 8mm. Gorgeous. And then, is this like our pendant for this? That is really pretty. This looks pale to me, or am I wrong? Maybe I'm wrong. It's really pretty. Okay, and then we have these bead caps that are turquoise patina. I have not seen these yet. Those are really gorgeous. Okay, we got 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, did they give us 8? Yeah. Those are awesome. Okay, there's some more lava beads. At least I think they are. They feel like they have weight to them, so it's hard to tell. Here we have some, I believe, disco beads. Yeah, beautiful colors. What an amazing mix they did here, huh? Those are really nice. Wow, and these really pull the Nautilus into the design. Okay, so we have 2 of these. Yeah. So I'll put them in a smaller compartment since there's only 2. And we have this barrel shape. This bead's actually white, and then it has this like bronzy looking luster over it. It's barrel shaped, but it is kind of tapered. So one end is more narrow, and then it gets whiter. Do you see that? They're neat. Okay, there's another cube. And we have turquoise heishi beads. They're kind of thick though. Thicker than a heishi. Looks like we have 8 of them. Those are pretty nice. And where did I put these at? These are orange, and that's over there. We have orange. I think this is 4x6 rondelles. Yeah. Those are really pretty. So we got like the orange being the sun and the blue being the water. This is like this. The bead is white, the barrel there. And it has this like bronzy luster on it. It's very pretty. And I think I'm going to have to make more room. Another orange bead. I'll put it over there. And then, oh my gosh, we have daisy spacers and a gold heishi shape. Wow, there's a lot. I said this was the last box. The last, not box, doesn't come in a box. The last one we got had a bunch of metal beads in it. I'll just go like this. Alright, so this is it. Pretty epic. Can't wait to play with this. The colors are gorgeous. I hope you could see it. I have no idea what I'm going to make yet. I have to play with the beads. But it is very beachy. Maybe bracelets. I do like to try and do bracelets when I can. And I'm thinking that these are going to have to go with these because of the size. And there's 4 of them and there's 8 of those, I think. Yeah, those would probably go together. These are beautiful with nice colors. I like this a lot. So this is it. I am going to link this Soft Flex kit. The theme is called Surfs Up. I'm going to link this down there below in the description bar. And I think I'll also put the tray down there, because every time I do videos with this tray, I always get asked where I got it from. So I will put the link for it down there below in the description bar. Here is the wire and the awesome container that they're now giving us in this kit. I love those containers. They are amazing. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.